What a go on YouTube? Welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. Okay, kings and queens, today we are going to be making a strong back, healthy, delicious punch. Yes, ladies, make this for your husband. So to start off this strong back punch, this Rasta man ital punch, we are going to be using a variety of Jamaican ingredients. This is like a yam punch with a twist. Okay, and you want to use yellow yam. You know, if you want to run marathon, drink the yellow yam punch here. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna peel with yellow yam, we're gonna peel with banana, and we're gonna boil those. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut up our banana, and we're just gonna leave the skin on. You know, lots of iron in the banana. So we're just gonna take off this part. I'm just gonna cut them up just like in half inches. And I want to wash this because we're gonna leave the skin on. All right, so now we're gonna peel the yam, and I'm doing about, I don't have a scale, but let me see, about quarter pound of yam. And remember, you need to do your yellow yam. And I'm wearing a gloves because yam tends to scratch. And whenever time I peel, you have to scratch me. So if you have sensitive skin, put on a glove so you don't scratch, alright? Lovely. So we're just gonna wash off the yam now and cut it up. So I'm gonna wash off my piece of yam. So if you see the color change, don't worry about that. I saw yam stay. Yeah, love change its color. As long as you peel it, the color start change. What enough people do, they just put some lemon juice or lime juice over this, or lime water or whatever. But you know, the color doesn't matter right now. So we're just gonna cut up these again in just small pieces. You know, piece we can hold in your blender. Depends if you're using a medium blender or a small blender, you want to cut them accordingly to where your blender can hold. And put on a pot now on the stove with some water to boil, alright? Because we want to put our yam and our banana in boiling water. Okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to boil this. And then after this boil, we're going to come back, we're going to blend up. Yeah. So water, yeah, we'll water nice and ready. It's boiling up, and now we're gonna add our yam and our banana. So just want to leave these to cook. Want them to get soft as they can. Okay, so about 10 minutes we're gonna come back and check and see if they're nice and soft. Alright, so we're here checking up on our banana and our yellow yam, and they are cooked. See, nice and soft. That's what we're looking for. The bananas are also nice and soft. See, yes. So we're just gonna turn off our stove now, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this to cool down just a little bit before we blend it up. Okay, kings and queens, our banana cool down now, so we're gonna start blending the banana and the yam. So here I have my blender already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the same water that we boil the banana and the yam in. Don't want to throw this water away because everything boil out in the water. Just gonna add the yam and the banana to our blender, and we're going to add the rest of our ingredients as well. So let's go over the ingredients over here. So here I have some sea moss gel. I'll leave a link in the description for the gel. I'll be using about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And here I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, so here I have some cinnamon powder and nutmeg, and I have half teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I have 1 cup of oats. I have half cup of peanut, and I'm using the stripped peanut. You can also use the other green peanut. Of course, you need a jerry or your nephew. This is optional, but what is a good punch without some rum? I'll be going in with about half teaspoon of almond extract. I have 1 peanut punch, the Guinness of course, and I have a tiger malt. You can use any malt, you can use Malta. You can also use Dragon if you don't want to use the Guinness. I have a Nutramint, but you can use Supplegen as well, and I have a sweet condensed milk just to sweeten it just a little bit. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna start our blending. So let's put our yam and our banana in our blender. See, they're nice and soft. Let's put them in our blender here. So I am done putting in all the banana and the yam, and I also threw the water in there. Remember I told you we're not gonna throw away our water. So now we're gonna add our oats, because we wanna blend our oats as well. So just add the oats, and we need a little bit more liquid, so we're just gonna go in with some of our Malta. You can use the Malta or you can use the Guinness to blend it. So I went in with the 1 bottle of Malta, and we're going to add our sea moss gel. So remember I said I was going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons, sorry. So I think I'm gonna go in with 3 tablespoons. I want to make this nice and strong, you know. Yeah, man. See that? So we're going in now also with our spices. So I'm going in with the vanilla. And we're also gonna go in with our peanut, because we wanna blend our peanut as well. And our cinnamon and nutmeg. Alright, so we're gonna just start blending now. So our blender is looking lovely. It is packed with a lot of nutrients, a lot of antioxidant, a lot of goodness. If you know, you know. Just by the ingredients, I don't even have to exaggerate the good and great benefits of this punch. So I'm gonna start the blending now, okay? Okay, so the blending is completed. Let's look on it. My. Look at this, man. Look at that. Wow, this is just amazing. So we're just gonna pour this out now, and we're gonna finish the mixing process, okay? Okay, so you know I always draw for the mixing jug. So let's pour this out. Look at that thickness. Whoa. Look at that. So just gonna scrape this out, cause nothing now waste, not a thing now dash way. Gonna go in with our Guinness. Just a little bit of our almond extract, just like half teaspoon. And if you don't do cow's milk, You can always use soy. You can use some almond milk. You can add substitute to this, alright? If you want sweetener, you can use honey instead of the condensed milk. You can also use coconut milk. So the best part here, old Ray and him nephew. So you're gonna add this according to your liking. Me love rum, so we might add a little bit more. And we're going in with the milk. I'm using the full can of milk. Don't mind the curdle that you see on top. That's how it is when you add the Guinness. So just gonna start combining all of this now. So just gonna mix this up now. See how rich and thick this is? Oh my, look at that. You can see the slime, the gum, the goodness. Lovely. So we're just gonna serve this up. You can chill this in the fridge. You don't want to serve this with no ice, because you know we don't want to water down your things. You just want to put it on the fridge and chill it, and then you can have it nice and cold. Have 1 glass of this before you go to bed. I'm telling you, your wife will never leave you. Come back, we pour this out now. Put some in this tall glass right here. Lovely. And we're going to put some in that small one over there as well. Yeah man, here we have it. See it there? The goodness. The good old yellow yam. Rasta man ital punch. If you love this recipe, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this recipe. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell. I have some wicked recipe lineup. You don't want to miss them. Okay? Thank you all for coming. Until next time, God bless you all.